Are you struggling with EventSource in Angular 4? You're not alone. Many new developers face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery together. I totally get it. You dive into Angular excited to implement real-time features, and then you hit a wall with EventSource. It's frustrating, but don't worry, we will get through this. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently shared their struggle with creating an event source to subscribe and receive events. They encountered an error stating, "Cannot find name event source." Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The issue arises because Angular doesn't recognize event source by default. This can happen if the necessary types are not included in your project. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue with EventSource in Angular 4, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct type definitions. Since EventSource is a built-in browser API, they need to install the appropriate TypeScript definitions. Next, the user should check their TypeScript configuration file. They need to ensure that the lib property includes ES6 or DOM to access the EventSource type. After updating the TypeScript configuration, the user should remove the import statement for EventSource from the EventSource package. This is because EventSource is already available in the browser environment. Finally, the user can test their implementation by running the Angular application again. They should check the console for any errors and ensure that the event source is functioning as expected. Fun fact, did you know that event source is part of the HTML5 specification? It allows servers to push updates to web clients in real time. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves using the native window.eventSource object. This user creates a service that utilizes Angular's EngZone to handle events. They define an observeStream method that takes a URL and returns an observable. Inside this method, they instantiate EventSource and listen for messages. When a message is received, they parse the data and use EngZone to ensure the observable emits the data correctly. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your imports and ensure you have the necessary types installed. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to get EventSource working in Angular 4. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the learning process. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips.